Going over Tesla here on April 10th, 2025, and we have a new price target here as of Thursday from Mizuho, a new updated one, $375, a buy recommendation. Previously, Mizuho on March 17 had a buy recommendation of $430 price target, now updated to $375 on April 10th. We have a mixture of insider buying and selling here as of April 7th, week of April 7th. And then go ahead and pause the screen here if you want to take a look at the rest of this. I'm going to go ahead and go into the chart now for Webull. And currently we're at 2 of 44, down about 10%. If I zoom out here to the daily chart, I'm going to reiterate what I said before. Anything below 250, I think, is a really good dip opportunity for Tesla stock. We know that the overall market right now is down, and yesterday, if you look at SPY here, yesterday we had some of the biggest moves here for SPY, right? Now, keep an eye out for Tesla, right? While we are below 250, I think this is a really good dip opportunity. We know that the sentiment in the market can change drastically, especially with what Trump's doing lately. If we get a flip or a switch here, keep an eye out for Tesla stock to retest back up to 272. And on the next rally back up, I do believe it's going to be a lot higher than what we saw here at 276. I personally would keep an eye out for a move up to 313. And also keeping an eye out for the resistance of 355 to be potentially tested. All right. That's what I've been trying to tell everybody. Again, just my personal opinion. Obviously, this isn't going to be guaranteed to happen, right? We're not going to see 100% that 313 is going to be tested, but that's just my personal prediction. And then on the downside, anything between 213 and 250, I think is a really good dip opportunity. In the short term, I'm looking for 250 to be retested, and I think it is going to be reclaimed as support. Keep an eye out for 272 being reclaimed as well. We're just seemingly to potentially be giving back some of the gains we made yesterday, and I think that's perfectly normal. And if we go ahead and use the Fibonacci chart here, it's possible we dip down to about 238, which we kind of just did right now. We had that low of about 239. I think we do have that reversal back up towards the top side. Look out for a stair step back up to 276 in my personal opinion. And I do expect to see potentially 313 to 355 be tested like I mentioned. If you want to compare it from our current prices here, we're at about 243 now, and I do think we start to have a leg back up. Back to about 272 is going to be right around 11%. Back to our recent high there of 276, right around 13%. And then my price target of 313 is going to be right around 28% from our current prices. So definitely something to keep an eye out for Tesla stock, okay? Let me know what you think down below in the comments. Are you long-term on Tesla? And do you believe that we are going to see this potential test towards 313? Or do you think we're going to have a potential sell-off lower than 214 here? If you don't have a community, I highly recommend joining our Discord. Link down below in the description. It's free to join. There's over 32,000 people there and a dedicated chat section for Tesla stock. If you're looking for live entries and exits on stocks and options, join our Patreon right now. We have a 90% off permanent discount as we're celebrating our 5-year anniversary. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video for Tesla stock.